What is Internet marketing? Internet marketing is the promotion of products and services using the Internet. Lower costs of dissemination of information and a global audience are its main advantages. This type of marketing also encompasses digital customer data management and electronic customer relationship management, ECRM, which are widely used in businesses today. The importance of Internet marketing strategies has grown with the growth and importance of the Internet. Most established companies are vying for online space and seeking to adopt web marketing strategies to increase traffic to their company's homepage. Online marketing helps add potential customers and the number of quality leads to a website as well. In fact, most organizations can adopt Internet advertising strategies to generate better business. Marketing tools can be used to find the hotspot of a website, the place that gets the most traffic. These tools can also help ensure a top ranking for a site or repair broken links. Another way to increase revenue via Internet marketing is to use keyword suggestion tools. Keyword research is a very important aspect of an online marketing campaign. If a site is not targeting the right keywords, in all probability, it is losing potential customers. Low rankings, as a result of bad keywords, could translate to low earnings as well. A better approach is to find out what the popular keywords related to a product or service are and analyze the search volumes for them. Many keyword research tools can be found online. Online marketing can be enhanced by enriching a company's website as well. Great designs and content might better attract users to a particular site. Aesthetically pleasing sites generally attract a lot of visitors, but so do functional ones. While a site should be visually pleasing and reach out to a broadly defined demographic group, it should also be user-friendly. Keeping an eye on the effectiveness of an Internet marketing strategy is also important. This type of marketing is not all about huge advertising costs and a successful website launch. The effectiveness of marketing tools will also have to be monitored to ensure that the approach continues to be fruitful. There are a number of site optimization and email marketing tools that are available, and a careful analysis and selection of strategies can help ensure business success. Today, there is no dearth of web marketers who will help implement web advertisements and assure top search engine rankings. To achieve this, web marketers will undertake a detailed market analysis, competitor analysis, and come up with an effective Internet marketing strategy to steer a website to the top of the leading search engines.